Welcome to the Desi Licious Den Dietitian on Demand. I'm Shahzadi, registered dietitian, and today I'm going to show you how to make this easy and healthy vegetable quinoa with garlic shrimp. Now, all the cooking action happens in your skillet. It's gluten-free and one of my favorite ways to get dinner on the table fast. Now, we're upping the nutritional value of the dish with a beautiful mixture of kidney beans, zucchini, peppers, tomatoes and quinoa. It's infused with heaps of flavour from the smoked paprika, cumin, coriander and lemon juice. And it's a great way to keep your salt intake in check without compromising on flavour. Are you excited? Let's get cooking with some masala. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what nutrition and diet related topics you want me to dive into next. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Now, if you want to be a super subscriber, turn on that notification bell so you never miss another video.